What up, YouTubers? It's me, Busy Bee, and I'm back with another wig review. This review is brought to you by Sogoodhair.com, and it is the unit that I actually have on my head. So this is the company Sogoodhair.com, and this is a 12-inch body wave pre-plucked unit that is just so cute, and it's in a bob style, so I really love it. Such a cute unit. And the hair, I mean, it is so soft. I really love that. And let's jump into how I achieved this look. Let's watch.
So this is the hair I got. It came with a package of eyelashes, which was kind of cool. I can't wait to wear those eyelashes, actually. So the hair is really, really nice. I love the natural body wave that it came with. You guys there can see that it's a lace front. And so it's got the 3 combs. And I'm going to take the one that would be in the top of my head out so that it's not giving my head a bump when I put the wig on. So I'm just going to cut that out real carefully. Now you can get a kind of set like this from your beauty supply store. They have it for when you're bleaching hair, and I might have paid, you know, $5 or $6 for that. I'm going to use BW2 by Clairol as the powder, and I'm going to throw my gloves on because this is actually my first time actually doing a bleaching of knots, so I wanted to throw some gloves on just in case. I'm using a 40 developer, and I didn't do any measurements, so I'm just kind of mixing it and seeing what the consistency is to see if I even, you know, need more. So that's what I was doing. Yeah, no measurements there. So I looked up a lot of different methods, and the method I decided to go with for doing my unit is actually going to be the spoon method. And I'm going to take the spoon and I'm actually going to go around and put the bleach inside of the wig on the lace area. So I'm just taking my spoon and doing it. And this helps to prevent it from pushing too hard and then having the bleach come through. So I found this to be a pretty good way to do it. Another way that I really like is using Q-tips, where, you know, it helps so that you're not pressing too hard into the lace. And I did like that way too, but I chose to do it the spoon method this way. And you'll notice that I also didn't flip it inside out, how you see some people flip it inside out and put it on a mannequin head. I didn't do that because that's a way where you can accidentally push too much through. So that's the end result. I'm going to wash it out. You want to make sure you wash it really, really good, and that you don't get any bleach still left in the hair that will then get put on your head. So I washed it really, really good. And then I'm using my Cream of Nature shampoo, and I'm going in and I'm just washing the unit as I normally would, making sure not to tangle the unit. And I actually like the Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioner, but I didn't have any more of the shampoo, so that's why I used the Cream of Nature. And so I'm going in and I'm rinsing it, and like I said, I'm just making sure that I get the unit nice and clean from the bleach. And then I am going to put in the purple shampoo that will help with any of the well, you'll see now I'm making sure that it's pretty good in terms of, you know, what I did with the bleach. So I'm going with my Shimmering Lights, the purple, and that's to help with the tone. You know, you don't want that yellowish or brownish brassy tone on your unit, so I use that to go in, and then I actually leave it and let it sit for a while. So I let it sit for about a good 5 minutes is good. And then I rinse out the purple shampoo. And so you can see here that it did tone it down quite a bit. And that's what you want to achieve. You don't want it to be so brassy. So I was able to do that. So I am going to go in with my Garnier Fructis conditioner once I'm done with this process, because I would always like to make sure I condition the hair. I use the Sleek and Shine conditioner by Garnier, and I absolutely love it. The Sleek and Shine is like the best product ever. So I use that to condition the hair, and it literally makes it sleek and shine. So I would definitely recommend you guys getting this shampoo and conditioner period for any of your wig units. And so I'm just going to make sure I really get that conditioner out, because I hate the way it feels when you leave like conditioner in that's not supposed to be left in. So I make sure I do that and make sure I'm not tangling as well. And one thing you can also do is kind of brush through while the conditioner's in the hair. You can actually brush it through. This was so smooth that I didn't even need to do that. Everything was nice and straight. So I basically take a towel, and I'm going to let my unit air dry. So if you're going to do this, you want to give yourself at least 1 day before you actually need to wear the unit, so that you have time for it to air dry. And I choose air drying over blow drying, because if you blow dry, it will change the texture of the hair. So that's why I let it air dry. And you can see that the knots look really good and it's not brassy. All right, so after I let it dry, it's time to get to tweezing a little. Now, this was a pre-plucked unit, so I didn't have to go in and do much, but I did want to go in just a little bit. It's just something about it. I feel like I needed to do that. Next, I'm just putting the wig on, and I put some water on the unit. I did not glue this down, so the only thing that I did was put some Gotta Be glued on the tabs, the ear tabs, but that's it. And then I'm going in with my Lotta Body mousse, and I'm just putting that all throughout the hair. And at this point, I just really wanted to make sure that you could barely see the lace, so I'm trying to blur the lace. So I use my Sephora Tan foundation, and I blur out the lace. And that's this process right here. And then I also use my Lotta Body mousse for the actual kind of swoops of baby hairs. I actually didn't cut the baby hairs, and that's because I'm pretty sure I'm going to want to wear this hair as a no baby hair look one day. So I didn't want to do any cutting to make it short, so I just kind of swooped them. And because I wanted to make sure that the part showed a little more, I went in with my Maybelline Fit Me 240 foundation and did the part. And the last step is basically to go in and blow dry the hair. And the only reason why I'm blow drying is just because I didn't feel like waiting for it to air dry after I put the mousse in.
Okay, so this is the final look. Okay, so I am really liking this. I like it because the body wave in this unit is gorgeous and the hair is like super soft. Even after I went in and put the Lotta Body in, when I blow dried it, the hair is still soft. It's not crunchy or anything, and it's just so smooth when I run my hands through it that I really love it. So Sogoodhair did such a good job in terms of the quality of this hair. Now, this is 150 density. It is a body wave unit, and the length I have it in right now is 12 inches. So 12 inches is decent because it's putting it right at my shoulders, and I like that. I've got a unit where it's a little shorter, and so I like this because it goes right to my shoulder. So it's a great unit. Gonna show you the back again. Slide. So this is the unit. Let me know what you guys think. Let me hear your thoughts, your comments, all of that. And tell me what you think about this unit. Is it a go? Is it a no? Don't forget I got a coupon code in my description. So if you're looking to get this unit, go ahead and click that link and put that code in there. Thanks for watching. Bye.